You subscribe, hey, Eddie?
Yeah, I'm ready to subscribe there.
Okay, Eddie,
See?
yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah. Good. Yep, no worries. Yep. Right guys, we're at a floating market. My voice is shot. No. Straight. A floating market that's raining. We had a mother. There, through there. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
Straight.
Correct. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This one nice.
Nice.
Floating market.
This one?
Is there?
Yep. Oh, that's a good one. That is a
This
good
one.
one.
This one. The food.
Yeah.
Good.
Very good.
Costume, 200 baht each.
Oh, yeah.
Then you can have the costume
Yes, we do make up. Yes.
for the two of us. How much for the two of us?
Together?
Yeah.
800 baht.
No.
Okay.
I can discount.
How much is the last price?
But I
We
together
only have
600
200.
baht. 600 together.
We have only 300 baht.
20, 400.
What is it?
We can. They will give us a costume, and then we can have a photo. They will make up like this, the two of us
Okay.
in Thai costume.
What do you reckon?
Until if you give me the last price, 200, 300, 300.
What size photo? What size picture?
What's the picture? What's the photo, my sis?
A4 size. This A4 size.
With the couple?
Couple?
You want?
Hey, I like that, yeah?
Looks nice.
300, 600.
I give two picture, one picture, and soft copy, or I send a WhatsApp. Yeah, look nice. Two picture. Two picture.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're about to have lunch here in the floating markets in Pattaya.
Cooking our chicken?
So cooking our chicken. What is it, Bubba?
Yeah.
What do we order?
We order grilled chicken, their Thai papaya salad, and then we have our chicken fried rice. That's all local Thai food, and we have their mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice. That's nice, that mango sticky rice. Okay, we're pretty hungry, so
There should be the salted egg.
salted egg. I don't know. Bubba's done the ordering.
Yeah, salted egg.
Bubba's done all
papaya.
this ordering here. This is what she's ordered off here and all this. So she's ordered that one too. All right, let's enjoy.
Yeah. That's right. The salted egg. Okay. You take us a picture with.
Thai food.
Yeah, this one, the juice, passion
Juice,
fruit.
passion fruit.
Is mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice.
Okay, that's it now.
Okay. All right. 800 baht comes with a picture. One boat ride.
And one orange juice or ice cream.
Oh, okay. Pattaya floating market, it's on there.
banana pancake butter roti.
Huh? Thai coconut pancake.
Yeah, try.
No, Baba.
What is pumpkin?
Coconut pancake ค่ะ Tori pancake.
Yeah, some suja tempeh.
That's it there, isn't it? What's on top of it?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay. Selfies do we need, Bubba? Got plenty of selfies. The floating market. How about this one here? Floating market. What, Bubba? Huh? Yeah? Selfie shot. Huh? This one?
Market. It's market.
Market?
This one. This one. That one.
That one.
This one.
Photos there,
Beautiful.
great photos there. Great photos here.
This one.
Ah. Let's go. Huh? We're done now, the flooding markets. We're going to go to Chon Beach. Chon Beach, Papa. We're done. These ones. Pink ones. Pink ones. That's it's a lady, this one. It's a lady.
How much?
Mango.
1 for 16.
Really got these ones here too. They're really good. Okay. All right. Papa,
Yes.
are we done?
Yeah.
We done now? We're done at the floating markets. Okay, all right. Well, we're done. We're going to leave now. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.